How to transfer files from mobile to laptop. This tutorial shows you how to move files over using Google Drive. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. From there, tap the plus icon at the bottom right. After that, tap Upload. At this point, browse through your device and select the file you want to transfer. Following this, tap Upload to confirm. Give it a moment while the file finishes uploading to your drive. From here, once it's uploaded, open your laptop. At this stage, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Following this, log in using the exact same Google account you uploaded the file from. From here, find the file you just uploaded in your drive. At this stage, right-click on it. Following this, click Download. Once downloaded, that file saves directly to your laptop, ready to open or move wherever you need it. That's how you transfer files from mobile to laptop. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!